Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. We're going to try and do this before the power goes out. We got a storm going on outside and rain's coming down in sheets. So I was in a Canadian Tire today and I was going to look at the QB78 that they have there. Turns out Marksman is now doing them, / Beeman. Of course, basically same company. Marksman bought out Beeman a long time ago, from what I heard anyhow. Anyways, they're being built in the same Chinese factory from the looks of things, and that's fine. So at least, you know, Marksman hasn't messed with them. But anyhow, turns out it's only a 177 cal. I want 22 cal. Now I did buy the Crosman F11 nitro gun, and I'm still shaking it down. I've got over 200 rounds through it. It still doesn't seem to be giving me any extra juice out of it. Maybe it needs a bit more. I've heard a lot of people on reviews and stuff saying, you know, it takes 200, maybe more rounds. So I did pick up some Crosman silicone oil, which is something that LaFave's failed to sell to me yesterday. So I picked up 2 tubes at Canadian Tire today, because you need this for nitro guns or springers. So I got 2 of them, and I also got some more ammo. I got Crosman 500 pack of 22 cal hollow points, and I got another can, so this would be my third, of the pointed pellets, 175 tin. So I got those, and I picked up the Benjamin Classic 22. I took a look at the one in the display case. So let's pull this sucker apart. Why did I buy another gun? Well, because I don't know what's going on with that nitro one, if it's even going to have enough nuts in it for what I want it to be able to pull off. So I thought, well, check this thing out and see, and so that you guys are aware, especially you Canadians that love to shop at Canadian Tire as well, if you don't already know, you don't get refunds anymore on air guns unless it's an actual defect. So unless there's an actual defect in the gun, you're not getting a refund. It's warranty only. So that's fine. So I figured, well, okay. So anyways, you get a 3x9x40 scope that also has illumination, which is actually pretty sick. And it is a center point scope. So grab the scope out of here, and this is a big scope for 40 mil. That's like really nice. So this does red and green light up, which is cool. It's got the flip cap system on it, so you can keep them on there and flip them up, and that's pretty awesome. I don't think the battery is active in this thing, and I'm going to say nope. So let's check for the battery and see if, oh, the battery's here. We'll put that in later. Check it out. So it's got a few features on her. Nice zoom on it. And I'm guessing the focusing is the up front on this one. Yeah, focusing is up front. So that's kind of cool. These things, yep, no problem there. They work. Nice. Just reading what it says here on the side. Just a click. So it's not a locking system, but it is a nice looking scope, that's for darn sure. That is really neat. So make sure they're both at 0. Anyways, and we have our classic Dovetail Mount system. So I'll have to put all this together later. Get that out of the way. Oh, that's the instructions for the scope. And a little white cloth. This Star Bully battery. Basically no name battery. Well, let's see how long it lasts. Alright. So this is our gun with a nice wood stock. Very cool. Very easy to pull down. Pretty much anybody could pull this thing down. That's pretty decent. Now, just in looking at this real quick, now my F11's got a Picatinny rail system. This has your dovetail on it. The power plant looks very, very similar to the F11. In fact, even the stock is very similar too. And it's ambidextrous stock, which is cool because I shoot left-handed. So for any of you who are lefty shooters, this is going to be a great little rifle for you. I like the stippling on the wood too. It's nice. Got Benjamin on the bottom here. Now this has also a 2-stage adjustable trigger, same as the Crosman F11. And I like the 2-stage. Some guys don't, but I really do. So this is the model 3300 in 22 cal. So I don't know a lot about this gun actually. Does have a rubber butt plate in the bottom, which is nice. This thing weighs in, I think it was like 6, said on the box here is like 6 point something pounds without scope. My F11 Crosman actually weighs like 8.5 pounds. I have like a weigh scale thing for luggage, goes up to 88 pounds, so I hooked it up and yeah, it's 8.5 pounds. Like, it's a heavy gun. Overall length is 44 inches. You know, so it's a good sized gun. It's an adult gun. It's not for kids, that's for sure. But still looks pretty awesome just the same. So your cocking handle, of course, is like a fake suppressor, same as the F11. And I was kind of like looking for the words to say what it was, but whatever on the F11 video. But that's what it is. It's a fake suppressor, but good cocking handle. You can't use open sights on this at all. You are stuck with a scope, so which is no problem. I don't mind. I kind of like scopes. Makes the gun look a lot meaner. And I'm getting older too, so you know, scopes are kind of handy sometimes. So anyways, that's what I got for you on this one. I did buy another gun yet today too, but that's on another video, so stay tuned. And I bought something else as well, which you'll see. It's a pellet trap, but it's kind of a cool one. So keep an eye on my channel. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notifications from my channel. And we'll just continue rocking out these fun little toys here on the channel. So catch you later.